The ability to think critically, solve problems, and make informed decisions are the job skills of the future. Mastering these skills is what makes the difference between students who stand out versus those who struggle to make the cut. These traits cannot be taught from textbooks or lectures alone. They come with practice and experimentation. They are learned by doing. We want students to do more than memorize theories and recite facts. We want them to be able to retain industry knowledge, develop critical thinking skills, and be prepared to apply classroom concepts to real-world problems. We develop powerful teaching tools and simulations for various fields that help bridge the gap between theory and reality, giving students access to decision-making environments that they wouldn't otherwise be exposed to. Our simulations are designed specifically for mobile phones, which lets students take the learning experience with them wherever they go, in and outside the classroom. They're convenient, interactive, and engaging. Let's get your students out of the textbook and into the real world.